And then finally, as we said, there's one is migrating to Azure, but really what you want to be doing is innovating further to gain the most value out of it. So you want to optimize your operations first and foremost. So using tools like Azure Monitor to identify and resolve issues quickly. So essentially, you'll be able to collect and visualize all of your data within Azure Monitor. You want to be able to streamline your deployment. So using Azure DevOps and GitHub. So collaborate better within your development teams, use modern dev services for your planning and your testing, and obviously speed up your build and your release management through those toolings. You want to infuse intelligence into everything that you do, so using services such as Azure Cognitive Search to really enrich all of your data and essentially incorporate, as we said earlier, industry-leading AI capabilities into your applications that not only can you sell as additional benefits to using your application if you're an ISV, but also guide the development of your application internally in terms of how your users interact and how customers interact with your applications, and what opportunities are available to you. And then increase intelligence within your application through bot service as well. So things such as knowledge mining, facial recognition, speech and language recognition for your applications, again, enhances your customer experience, enhances the way that you interact with your customers, and again, helps you to build that closeness between your customer base, whether that's end users or whether that's the wider market in itself. And then really what you're looking to do with innovation is, as we've said previously, is really extend further with that serverless message. So being able to use things like Azure Functions to build the functionality faster, use dedicated resources where you need to, responding to events, and then using things like logic apps. And there's hundreds of services within Marketplace or within Azure that you can use to automate workflows. So using logic apps to manage the automation of data transfer, whether that's within native Azure components or whether that's with third-party software as well. So you've got over 200 out-of-the-box connectors already there that enable you to, again, automate workflows between the various data points or the various applications that you have within your organization.